Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 75 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight's cocktail is a sophisticated, spirit-forward Father's Day classic. We're going to use timeless flavor profiles. As our base, we're anchoring it with the very bold Knob Creek single barrel that is 120 proof. It's a massive backbone for this cocktail. It's going to give us dark chocolate, roasted nuts, and deep oak to really be a phenomenal base. We will use 2 full ounces of the Knob Creek. Next, we're going to do balance and sophistication. So first, to bring in a little bit of a sweet note and also deepen the char notes of the whiskey, we will be using a bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. This is going to give us rich but velvety sweetness that will add texture as well as flavor. Now, a little goes a long way, so 1/4 ounce is all that we will need. And that's going to bring some love notes. Now, for the other piece of our balance, we're going to bring a more elegant and herbal complexity by using the Amaro Nonino. This is one of my favorite Amaros. It's just fabulous. The Nonino will introduce some amazing flavors, including a bitter orange, honey, and alpine botanicals. We will use 3/4 ounce of the Nonino. For our bitters tonight, we're going with 2 different ones. First, we'll be using the Molasses bitters. They are dark, deep, earthy, and savory. We will use 2 dashes of the Molasses. Second, to bring out some of those notes that are in the Nonino, we will use 1 dash of orange bitters. Now, we will add ice, stir for 30 to 45 seconds to give us a really good chill, proper dilution of this 120 proof spirit, and to make sure all the ingredients are really incorporated. I will do that and then rejoin you as soon as I'm done. That is very well chilled. Now we will strain this into our rocks glass that has 1 large block of ice. Fantastic. And we will express an orange peel over this cocktail glass to release some orange oils and bring some more of those orange flavors forward. Very nice orange. I love the rotating rocks glass, don't you? Oh, the aroma on this is, you've got the charred oak, the molasses, and that orange is really coming forward. I love it. It's very inviting. Cheers to the Patriarch's Gold. I love that it's bold, yet smooth. It's got hints of the oak as well as a really deep, dark chocolate in the background. Now in the mid palate is where I'm starting to get the herbaceousness from the Nonino, as well as hints of this very light bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. The finish is really long and warming. You can sit on this and enjoy it for quite some time. It's got notes of leather, roasted nuts, and even soft baking spices. It's just lovely. Now, next week, when you're done celebrating Father's Day, join me again for episode 76. We're going to be celebrating the arrival of summer with the Solstice Sour. This is going to be a complex Amaro sour that will have both bourbon and Amaro Montenegro in it. I can't wait to try that with you. But for tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have the most fabulous Thirsty Thursday. Have a joyous Father's Day with those you love this weekend, and enjoy the Patriarch Gold. Cheers.